Leon Bailey and Khadija Shaw, the Jamaican powerhouses, taking over European football. This is a video in the form of commendation, speaking on the excellence displayed by the two players on the grounds of European football. I believe that these players are cooking, and I want to say something special on them. Stay tuned for the presentation. Leon Bailey and Khadija Shaw are making waves in European football while proudly representing Jamaica. These two talented players are dominating the pitch and showcasing their skills at the highest level. From stunning goals to brilliant assists, this dynamic Jamaican duo is leaving a lasting impact on the football world. Welcome to Premier 7. I am your host, Ryan Nelson, speaking from the heart, representing two players who are making Jamaica flag wave high, high, high. Aren't you happy about these two players? Because I am excited to talk on them. If you're new, please subscribe to the channel. And if you are an existing follower, continue to watch, like, comment, and share, as I am here to present on contents that doesn't only speak about football from an emotional side, but from the point of analyzing and understanding the game as though we should. If you are a big supporter of the channel and you are grateful for the presentations being done, you can always send a donation to my PayPal account in the form of thank you for the good work that has been done. And you can also follow me on YouTube, TikTok, and on Instagram as the platforms for which I do my videos. All right, so with no further ado, I want to cover this topic: Leon Bailey and Khadija Shaw, Jamaican powerhouses taking over European football. I want to speak about Leon Bailey and Khadija Shaw by way of two separate points. But before I do so, I want to present to you a video of speciality, just in the form of thanksgiving for the excellence of these two players. Have a watch.
Leon Bailey, oh, great feat, 4-1. 4-1. Maybe this is the breakthrough moment to stop it happening tonight. Bailey is deflected, it is. But they do have the goal that really they do deserve.
Alexandri, sure is the target, took it nicely, hit it well, and there is the hat-trick for Khadija Shaw.
Danny Shaw turns away from Finnegan, strikes low, hard and true, and into the corner.
Such excellencies displayed on the pitch by the two players is something that we should embrace as Jamaican followers. And nothing feels better than sitting back, relaxing, and enjoying the performances of our own doing well on the highest level. Now, I just want to say something special on the players. They have worked extremely hard on their career and they have tried their utmost best to weather the storms that comes their way. Now, I want to speak on Leon Bailey first. Leon Bailey, how has he been cooking for Aston Villa? A lot of persons watch the English Premier League and they are seeing how well Leon Bailey has been performing, dominating any team that comes across Aston Villa, whether he starts from the bench or not, he is impactful for the club. And because I love to speak value of the players, I want to just present to you his statistics thus far for the season. For Mr. Bailey, who plays in the number 31 shirt for the Villains, this is his best season for the club, valued at 35 million euros. I know that this guy will be a target for other clubs bigger than Aston Villa, but maybe he will even extend his contract again after he did before because Aston Villa possibly can make it to the Champions League. And Leon Bailey's input is doing a lot for the club. 32 appearances, 10 goals, 9 assists. Leon Bailey is making his name be known as a monster to the hearts of opposition fans. Somebody who rips the life out of others by way of his decorative ability to impress on the pitch. 56% in regards to starting 11, 60% minutes, 27 goal participation. Absolutely amazing. Remember, this guy starts from the bench at times and he continues to impress. How well is it that you have a player like Leon Bailey with such a mindset who can bounce back from adversities and take it upon himself to represent? Persons will be saying that Bailey is not doing well for Jamaica. I can understand that. But the atmosphere at Aston Villa, whereas he has been playing very well under the management of Unai Emery, it is commendable for him to say that he has improved. Of course, irrespective of being a left winger or a right winger, this guy continues to showcase his talent. Even though he's at age 26, he hasn't hit the peak age as yet. And I believe that once he's injury free, he will continue on the good path. So far, so good. This video is one that I want for you to embrace, listen to, and spread the good news because these players are trying their best to not only impress who are their followers in Jamaica or at their clubs, but to contribute to the world of football. And Leon Bailey, hats off to you. Now for Khadija Shaw, how has she been dominating for Manchester City? Goals galore, I would use as something to describe Khadija Shaw based on how she performs on the pitch. She has been decorative for Manchester City. They're currently at the top of the table in the WSL. And Khadija Shaw's input is making waves for the team. She has broken records and she hasn't stopped to impress fans, followers, or even persons who do not understand football will understand that a female like Khadija Shaw can be a nation builder for her country. I want to just say that Khadija Shaw, I am proud of you, and I know that others should. Statistically, Khadija Shaw is making her name be known. And the thing is, she wears the 21 shirt for Manchester City women's team. She is primarily known as a striker at age 27 with preferred foot being the right foot. She is powerful in the air, she is fast, she is strong, and she can score goals irrespective of the angle that she's kicking the ball from. 21 goals, 3 assists. She started in 17 games out of 18. Then you can say 90% of the times this young lady has been starting for Manchester City's female team this season. Khadija Shaw has a rating of 8.19. Average players aren't even close to such ratings. She hasn't received any cards in the season, and she is providing to the world of football by way of a news feed to say that you can play the game without contributing to the cards department. Not only at Manchester City is this female dominating on the pitch, she's dominating outside because if she wasn't impressive to the fans at Manchester City, she would have been through the door. Khadija Shaw is an example for females to follow as she is playing and representing herself as a woman of strength, passion, dignity, and you can add some more special words. Khadija Shaw, as a captain who plays for the Reggae Girls, it hasn't been the best of the best spell for her in terms of goals, but she, along with her team, has made waves for Jamaica female team in booking spots into crucial stages of the World Cup in the past that many persons wouldn't have thought they would. Playing against Brazil and France, that will be forever etched in my thought. And I am hoping that it does for you. Because when you look on how well Khadija Shaw is playing for Manchester City, scoring goals and enjoying herself, it should be something that as Jamaicans we should be happy that she is, because no one knows the hard work that she has to be doing over and over again, except from those who are watching her or training with her at Man City. We have to stick by our players and let them feel comfortable when they are representing our country. Khadija Shaw, I am proud of you as well. So, in that case, speaking about the two players in Leon Bailey and Khadija Shaw, we should be happy for them. We should be proud of them because we understand that both players haven't had the best of the best contribution to the national team. But it doesn't say that they aren't good players. The biggest names are these two who were born, raised, and grow in Jamaica, but went on to different parts of Europe to make themselves become recognized. These two persons are shining some heavenly light on football in Europe as two black people who stand with pride and dignity representing their nations quite well. People, this is a video that even though I am behind the scenes presenting on because of technical issues, it is for me to come out and talk for my players. And today I want to say thanks for listening and even watching the video. Don't forget to support the thing because I am here at any time that the need for football arises. Because as I've said earlier on, I am speaking about football not only from an emotional side, because that should not be the main. I am speaking about football from an analytical perspective, contributing to those who need to understand. It is time for me to go. I hope that this video will receive a lot of commendations, a lot of views, subscription, because it is one that Jamaican people needs to hear. Take care and goodbye for now until we meet again.